Hi, this is Jamie Jackson with Wanderlust Travel. It is Monday, December 7th, 2020. I just checked into Hotel Emeline in downtown Charleston. You are just steps from the city market, King Street, and all the areas to explore. I wanted to show you my room. It is called the Collector's Suite. And one of the first things here you notice is my room has a record player, and you can borrow some records from downstairs if you'd like to have for your room while you're here. It's got like a mid-century modern kind of vibe, but also with a touch of Southern class, which I really like the combination. There is in this little drawer a mini fridge that you can put anything you want in it. There's some water bottles there for you to use. This has a little sitting area, table, sofa, TV in here, beautiful views outside, and then separately leads into your bathroom, shower, toilet area with the door that shuts, robe, and then this door can slide shut for your sleeping area to your king size bed. All rooms in here have a king size bed. If you have two beds, it is two king size beds. TV, and neat little design for storage for your clothing and kind of packages and whatnot. So we will be staying at Emeline for 2 nights and exploring Charleston. So keep following us.